Athena! Sindan mo talaga ako sa Manila!
Get out!
Yung operator. Nagkamali. Oh, alam na nga yung pangalan ko eh. I'm really sorry, Athena, but I still love you.
I know you're happy with me, but I really want to see you. Oh, kawawa ka naman.
Alis! Next ako to.
Bastos!
Pepe, matindi nga ito si Kenji eh. Tinuring yung Reyna si Athena. Oh, ang pangalan mo pala. Mahal na yan eh. Night break na sila.
Sarah Jo. 3 years. Rizon Athena. Athena Rizon.
Si Senyor.
Bakit mo ako pinaglalaruan? Nasaan si Athena?
Tara na.
Mula ngayon, mag-on na tayo. Magpapanggap ang girlfriend ko para magselos si Athena at balikan ako. Simula ngayon, hindi ka na papasok na isa. Suot natin.
I never dream, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing. And I could swear love is just a game that children play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day.
Kailangan mo na maglaro. Natatalo ng team natin. Tara!
Go, Kenji! My sexy love!
Coach, pasok na ako.
Good luck, good luck.
Oh, Kenji! My sexy love! Oh, sexy! Go, sexy! Go, sexy! Sexy love! Go, Kenji! Go, Kenji! My sexy love! Yes! Go, Kenji! Yes, yes!
Uy! Dito ka pala tumatambay.
Stop!
Layuan mo, girlfriend ko!
Ano bang problema mo?
Ayoko nagsiselos.
Pinapasikit mo tip-tip ko eh.
Alam niyo naman na bawal ang extreme emotion sa batang ito. Belated cardiomyopathy is not a joke. Tanggapin na natin na hindi pwede ang normal na buhay para kay Athena.
Ang bumalik na naman si Ate Vincent. Kenji, ay, hindi ko na kaya. Hindi na naman. Kakabatay ko na.
Talagang gusto akong makasama.
Hindi ganon.
Eh ano?
Itigil na natin. Kasi, ito ang mabutos na.
Kaya po ba hindi? Tama ka. Tigil na natin kung hindi na tayo. Walang laro. Kunyari ano. Athena, can you come with me?
Hintay mo si Kenji.
Pinapakuha ka ni Kenji. Sa the hospital. Cancer stage 3.
Hindi alam ni Kenji.
She never told them. Gusto niya sana makamove on bago siya mawala. She love him so much.
Wala akong karapatang humiling sa'yo. But as a mother, please, I beg you, tulungan mo kung gusto na ng buhay mo.
Athena, ayoko. Ikaw ang mahal ko. Hindi mo na ba ako mahal?
Mahal na mahal na mahal. Pero kailangan ko na. Thank you for the 2 months, 3 weeks, 3 days, 7 hours, and 7 minutes na pagmamahal na babuunin kong habang buhay. Paasan ako? Oh, sweetheart! You're awake!
We were so worried about you.
Ano nangyari? Where's Kenji? Kenji? Sweetheart! Where's Kenji? He's my boyfriend!
Athena, listen to us. There's no one named Kenji. You've been in a coma for months. Everything you experienced was all just a dream.
No! Hindi yung totoo. Kenji was real. Sweetheart, I know this is so hard to accept, but you need to focus on getting better now. We're here for you, okay? But it feels surreal. How can something beautiful be nothing but a lie?